Heyo, so nothing that interesting happening today, but I am repotting a plant because this little guy I got for Christmas and he's too big for his pot, and this one has died. I mean, I got it, like someone gave it to me and they're like, oh, it just likes the sun and lots of water. And so I put it on my windowsill and watered it most of the time. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this out and put the little one in the big one. Whoa, lighting is not the best here. Wish me luck. To be honest, I really don't know what I'm doing. But, oh, look at that. Look at that. It is in perfect shape for taking it out. Oh, I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
So that was much easier than I expected. Got a nice little, I mean, can't really tell, but I do have a nice little hole in there. So that came out really easy. So what is this, a gardening channel? Oh, Alright. Oh, something's happening. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a bit deep. Alright. Oh, look at this. So, yeah, there's still some residue in there. I have no basic repotting skills from when I was younger, and my dad made me help him with gardening. Alright, so we're just gonna... Okay, so I think it might be the wrong potting mix, but the succulent came with succulent mix, so I'm hoping that's enough for it. I'm just pressing it down. Oh, golly. Alright, it's a bit wonky. Oh, look how wonky this little guy is. He's shrunk as well because he needs more support. Let's be real. Now I'm hoping some more offshoots will grow because I'm pretty sure that's what's supposed to happen with this kind of succulent, and I'll just clean up my mess and then lots of water. Well, not too much water because succulents don't need that much water, but lots of water and see how it goes.
More moments later.
Right, so we're back and we just gotta give little guy some water. I like using a spray bottle because when it's like a normal bottle, I feel like I'm like attacking the poor thing. So this way, it's gentle. Alright, decent watering, so hopefully it wasn't too much. And then it will just go on the windowsill next to this other plant. So right there, and then here is another plant that I got at the same time. It's still a little bit green. I'm hoping it will come back to life, but I'm not liking my chances. It's not looking great. Yeah, so I'll just wash this little pot and I'm sure I'll find something to do with it. See ya! Alright, so I'm gonna continue this video. I actually tried to do like a hanging thing on this one, but it still had the plant in it. So I kept like spilling it, and that's really what I was like, I just need to repot this plant. So I'm gonna untie this and keep talking to you, I guess. Let's do that. Alright, oh, here we go. So I kind of want to be a plant mum, but oh my goodness. But my room's too small to put plants in, and I'm too broke to get my own house. So, and my family, just every indoor plant we've had has died. I'm surprised the one in this pot that is now on my windowsill, I'm surprised that lasted as long as it did. I got that for Christmas, so it's 10 months now. It's funny because I actually had like 3 or 4 little succulents in it, and then that one succulent just took over and was like, no guys, you guys are gonna die. So there's like dead succulents in there, but I'm sure they like fertilized the one that's now living. So I have killed a couple of plants, and then that plant that I also couldn't keep alive, and then that I chucked in the bin, and that other one on the windowsill that is on its way out. I think it is technically dead. I don't know. I've got a scientist friend. I should ask her. But it's still got green in it. So is it really dead if it's still green? I don't know. Let me know. All right. I've still got more knots. See, like, this is ridiculous. Like, look at all the knots I have to do. All right.
Perfect.
All right, I'm gonna leave it here. So what I've done is I've tied, so I've tied 8 strings. So I've paired up 8 strings, and can't actually tell. There's like a ring there. So I've tied them to this. Well, you can kind of see it better this side. I've tied it to this ring, and what you do is I need something to put this on. Alright, so it's on the ring, and then, so I looked up a couple ways to do it. Some people just tied them all together. I did the other method of tying it to a ring, and a couple of the websites said to like tape it down, but maybe I should tape it down. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So I will tape it down. The tape is just for while you're doing it. And so I just trying to tape it. And like, I'll take it off later. Alright, so taped it, got going on like that. Then you kind of, look, I'm no DIYer. So you just kind of pick where to tie it. So you've got you should have 4 groups, and then you take 1 string from 2 of the groups, and then you tie those together. And I'll just do that now. I'm just doing like a simple knot. I am just a simple knot. Just like that. And it's just chilling there. You know, just a knot, and then you do it on all the sides. That was so dramatic. And this is the last one. It looks pretty even to those ones. It's fine. It's just roughly even. And then just tape these where they are, just to keep them in place. My life. Help! Send help, please. Let's try that again. Oh, it's the end of the roll. I just wasted all this sticky tape, and it's the end of the roll. So it's not even sticky. I am mad, so I'm gonna go find some more sticky tape. Alrighty, I'm back with more sticky tape to save the day. Traitor. Alright. Fresh roll of sticky tape. I need to take this bit off. Boom. Alright. So just gotta tape that in place, like so. Boom. That's all taped, and then you just repeat the process. So if I turn it this way, so you can kind of see the kind of vibe it has, but you do it again. So you've got your 4 groups, so your 4 pairs knots, and then repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, my friends. Boom, 1 done, 3 to go. Two down. I mean, I can't keep fish alive, so I probably can't keep the plants alive. I mean, I honestly don't know what's harder, keeping fish alive or keeping a plant alive. I think it depends on the plant, because some plants are really fussy. And if you've got like a super like tropical fish or something, then you're probably gonna have to have some fancy heated tank going on. Yeah, so I honestly don't know what's easier, like goldfish or basic plants. Because so far, I can't keep either alive. Yeah, it's good enough. See, it doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, the last one. And that one's done. Boom. So you got your little hanging pot with nothing in it. Seriously, start with nothing in it, because it's gonna make your life a heck of a lot easier. So you got, see, look how cute that is. I'm gonna tape these as well. Alright, so now that the strings are going to stay up, leaning pot of Amy. So this is my theory. So you do the thing where you get the, you do the thing.
We've got your 2 pairs of...
Do you have a problem? Tie them together. Up above the world so high. Tie them together up here. Look how cute that looks. Just me and my hanging pot that has nothing in it. And there we go. If you ignore this nonsense up here, we have a cute hanging pot plant. It's definitely lopsided, but it's cute. So take sticky tape off the bottom. This is literally taken me half an hour. As you can see, I'm great at procrastinating. So I've just spent the better half of an hour fiddling with plants. Wasn't planning on doing that, but this is procrastination at its finest. I hope you found this instructional, or at least somewhat entertaining. I'll see you later.
Later.
Just an update on my little hanging pot doodah. It's hanging, and I've got this ribbon around it because just to clean it up, make it look nicer, and I reckon it's pretty cute. I might put something in it, but yeah, I tried. I'm proud of myself. I did something, and that's all. I can't DIY to save a life.